So in this lesson, we're going to be looking at how we can back up our install. So once we've backed it up, we can download it and update it and copy it over and actually bring it into another AMPS install.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So we can do that really easily. So let's go over into our end user panel here and go into where we can set the backups. So notice that we've got an option here, backup and restore. So this is where we can make use of making a backup, and then we can also export it as well. So this is all backups. So currently we don't have any backups available. So let's go over to our installs. So this is if we wanted to, once we create the backup, we would go here. So let's go to all installations, and we've got our test dev there. So this is our WordPress site. We've got the installation time, our version, and we've got a number of options here. So I can clone it, I can back it up, and I can edit the details. So let's go ahead and click backup. And we can make a backup note. It gives us some information about the backup. So let's do backup of this installation. So this is useful if in case I want to uninstall AMPS or I want to move it to another machine. Creating this backup is really useful, super useful, and now we can access it within that backups. So notice that now we have a zipped up file here of our website install all backed up, ready to go. And this is the other cool part about it, because now I can actually download it. So I can download it and also restore from a backup of it. So I can restore it as well if I wanted to, and I could also remove backups as well. So a lot of options here that are available within AMPS. And once again, this is just that WordPress site that we installed. Now I've got it downloaded. I can copy it, bring it over to another machine, put it into the backup folder, and then restore it into another system if I wanted to, or if something happens with my current install, I can always do a quick restore of this installation and get it up and running into the same state that it is at when I did the backup. So another amazing feature with AMPS. So in the next lesson, we're going to look at how we can update our install scripts. So occasionally, so right now, as we've done our installs, all of our scripts are up to date, but occasionally you might want to make an update of them, updating to a more current version of your script. So you can do that as well within AMPS. So all of it available right within that end user control panel. So that's coming up in the next lesson.